Hey guys, it's Likeabosskey here with another Airsoft unboxing for you. Today we got some accessories that end up with all that stuff I got from Craigslist that just go with that. It's like a vest, a mask, and some mags from Minimum 4. So I'm really excited. This is going to be some crazy awesome stuff. So yeah, let's get right to it. This is also all from Airsoft Club, as I said earlier, and the packaging wasn't done very good. Like, the package is destroyed, which I'm hoping this stuff is alright on the inside. I already took this like wrapping stuff that was on it off, and it took like 2 weeks to get here too, because it shipped from China, and I didn't know that Airsoft Club is so far away, but that's okay. I thought they were somewhere in the US, but I mean, the stuff's good quality, so they sell good stuff there. So right. Doing the final cut here. There we go. Okay, this is the good stuff. Right. As you guys can already see, some Magpul PTS handguard. Oh, sweet! I'm excited for this right there. That's awesome. Alright, I'll put that aside. Ooh, mystery box. Oh, no, not a mystery box. It says right here. 120 round, 5 box set of magazines, M16, and 4 mags. We got a save face mask for a replica. That's a lot bigger than I expected, but that's what I say a lot about a lot of things, and they end up fitting right. And so, yeah, that's pretty cool. Some bubble wrap. Alright, box out of the way. What we have here is a free USA patch. That's nice of them. 3 items and above. Thank you. That's very kind of them. America patch. Even though it's from China. Alright, looks like I'm gonna need my Swiss Army knife. Or not. Alright. I got some Army Force Magpul rails. They go onto this bad boy right here. And this is what I'm excited about. Is a multi-cam vest. I'm not sure actually who it's made by. I'm trying to remember, but I can't. This is being really stubborn. Tear it open. Can I get it out? There we go. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited about this. There we go. Finally. And here is our vest. Oh, snap, that is sweet. Okay, so that's actually everything that was in the box. I'm going to do, I'm just going to add it onto the video, some other I don't know. I'll do like separate unboxings for these things that are inside. Actually, I'll just do that now. So let's do these out of the way. Alright. This one first. These are just magazines in black, as it says on the right. Is there any way to open this? Here we go. There we go. Nice. Just some simple polymer mid caps, because I don't like head caps because they don't feed well. But these are actually really nice. High polymer. Of course, they're not metal, but so I'm just gonna open these last few items up. Alright. Oh, sweet. Wow, these are actually a lot nicer than I thought they were gonna be. High polymer black magazines. I got a box set of 5 of them, and they're really nice. M4 mags, M16 M4 mags. That's gonna be really nice. And then the last item that's gonna finish off this video is the Magpul PTS handguard. And there's tape all the way around it. There we go. Oh, whoa. I knifed the wrong way. Alright. Let's hope this is, I'm hoping this is going to be the right size. And it looks like it is. I got this in foliage green because the color of my, more bubble wrap. Yay! The color of my gun is foliage green. The handguard is foliage green, as well as the stock. That is a nice handguard. Alright, so that just about wraps up this video. I'll just show everything again. So here is the mask that I got, the handguard, the magazines. Those are the magazines right there. And the overview of the last 2 things we got. I got a mask. I got a Magpul handguard. I got 5 mags. I've got rails for the handguard. I got a free patch, which is nice of them, and a multi-cam vest that just covers everything up. That wraps up this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next videos.